Welcome to Longview Public Library's tutorial for the free messaging and calling service WhatsApp. It's a free messaging app for Android and iPhone, and you can also access it on your desktop or computer. I'm going to be showing you how it works on an iPhone today. So with WhatsApp, you can send text messages, voice messages, and you can make phone calls and video calls. All you need is a mobile phone number to make your account and access to Wi-Fi for the app to work. First, you're going to want to download it, and you'll do that in the App Store. And all you have to do is search for WhatsApp. And there it is. So since I've already downloaded it, I'm going to press open, and it'll open it for me. And the first screen that opens is the status screen. This is where you can upload status updates as well as pictures and videos, very similar to Instagram and Facebook. It's a very straightforward app. Basically, all of your menu options are down at the bottom of the screen. When you download it, you'll create an account using your phone number, and you can upload your picture and any other personal information you want to add. If you give WhatsApp access to your phone contacts, it will automatically link to people who have a WhatsApp account. If you don't want the app to have access to your contacts, you'll need to manually type in the number of the person you want to contact. The app also disables some of their features if you don't give it access to your contacts. So if you want all the features, you'll have to give it access. So at the bottom of the screen are all your various menu options. It opens on the status page. The next option is call. And so to make a call, all you have to do is press the call button in the top right corner, and it'll open up your contacts, and you can find the person you want to contact and select either the phone button or the camera button, and that'll be an audio or a video call. I'm gonna call my friend, so I'm gonna hit the camera button. Hi! So on the bottom you can see all of the different options you have. There's the camera flip button that shows what's on the other side of your phone. There is also the video mute button in the middle that mutes your video to whomever you're calling. And there's the audio mute button on the far right corner that also mutes your audio. And if you want, you could add people to the call with the top right button. And you can also change who is big on your screen. If you click on your own image, you can also move around the picture to wherever you want it on your screen. Okay, thanks. Bye. You have your camera option, which allows you to take pictures through the app or to access your photo library and send pictures that way. Then there is chats, which is the other major feature of this app. When you select the chat button, it'll show you any active chats you have, as well as broadcast lists, which is group chats, and you can create a new group. If you wanted to search for something in a chat, you pull the screen down, and if you wanted to see your archived chats, you don't delete chats, you only archive. You can pull it down again, and that'll send you to your archived chats. If you wanted to write a new chat, you select the notepad button in the top right corner and then find the contact that you want to chat and select them. The settings menu is in the far right corner, and this will be where you can update your personal information. You can see any messages you have starred. You can access the desktop version of the app. The account menu is where you'll want to update any of your privacy or security information. You can also turn on two-step verification and change your phone number. And chats, this menu has a really fun feature where you can change the wallpaper of the chats that you have with other people. This is also where you clear and delete chats. And that's it. It's a very straightforward, very simple app, but it is a really effective messaging and calling tool.